Hello students, as the title say, this video will be talking about sodium nitroprusside test for diagnosis of thiols in urine. Alright, now these thiols may come from any sulfur containing amino acid like cysteine, cysteine or homocysteine, mainly in case of amino aciduria in case of urine sample. Alright, however with this specific test you can actually detect the presence of thiols in any compound for that matter. Alright. So, this specific test we did in our laboratory because this was a known case of Homocysteinuria which was referred to us from ophthalmology department because the patient presented with subluxation of lens and therefore chromatography was done and it was diagnosed to be a case of Homocysteinuria. However, we will show how you can also diagnose Homocysteinuria or for that matter any amino acid urea, for example Cystinuria, with an inexpensive setup just like this. So I am Dr. Arindam and let's get started with the video. So first I would like to tell you this test is known as Brand's test. Also another name is sodium nitroprusside test, just as I told you in the beginning. Also it is known as cyanide nitroprusside test. You know why? Because we also need sodium cyanide when you are testing urine sample, because cyanide actually breaks all the disulfide bond to release free sulfur containing amino acid. Okay, so what are the ingredients of this test? Okay, so first ingredient is sodium nitroprusside. Needless to say, the test is named after sodium nitroprusside. Okay, it is sodium nitroprusside test. However, few textbook may use other chemical name of sodium nitroprusside, so you need to be careful if it says pentacyanonitrosyl ferrate number 2 or disodium nitroso pentacyanoferrate 2 dehydrate. Those are the same thing. It is sodium nitroprusside, nothing else. One key factor is it needs to be freshly prepared. Okay, it needs to be freshly prepared solution of sodium nitroprusside. The next ingredient is ammonia. Very important, you need to make an ammoniacal solution of sodium nitroprusside. Alright, that is followed by another ingredient which is sodium cyanide. Now I say for urine test because if you want to test presence of thiol in any other compound, okay, then you can also do that by simply adding an ammoniacal solution of sodium nitroprusside. You don't need cyanide for that. Cyanide acts specifically to break the disulfide bonds, okay, to release free amino acid in case of urine sample. And the last ingredient that will be needed is sample of course. Now one thing let me tell you, since this is a qualitative test, that is we are telling whether thiols are present or absent. All right, so the exact measurement of all these ingredients can vary. Definitely they can vary. Qualitative test, it will be positive no matter what. The reaction is strongly positive for thiol, so you can alter depending on your concentration of sample or standard. All right, however I'll be showing you how we did in our lab. So let's get started. So this is a freshly prepared solution of sodium nitroprusside. Alright, so we'll be taking 500 microliter of sodium nitroprusside. Okay, so yes, the pipette was set at 250 actually. So twice it makes 500 microliter. Then what we need to do, we need to mix equal volume of ammonia. You can see this is a solution of ammonia. All right, so roughly equal volume of ammonia you need to add and mix with the freshly prepared sodium nitroprusside solution to make an ammoniacal solution of sodium nitroprusside. All right, so 1:1 you need to mix, and then you need to you can keep this solution for a minute, but these two liquids are very highly miscible, so it will dissolve no matter what. Right, so now this is the ammoniacal solution of sodium nitroprusside that is ready. Okay, next we need to dilute this ammoniacal solution of sodium nitroprusside with 10 parts of water. Okay, so over here we'll be taking 200 microliter of this ammoniacal solution, and to it we'll add 2 milliliter of water. Okay, as you can see, the amount can vary, okay, but this is what I found to illustrate the best possible color. Okay, now this is a known case of urine sample of known case of Homocysteinuria. So, and this has already been treated with sodium cyanide. So the free thiol groups are everywhere. Now 100 microliter of this sample, if we add to the ammoniacal solution of sodium nitroprusside, you can see immediately it will give a strong reaction, and this pink color, reddish purple color, you cannot miss once you get. Okay, so this is a very characteristic color of thiol. Okay, minded it may appear purple, but this purple is a lot different from Rothera's test, which also uses sodium nitroprusside, and that also gives a purple color, and that is a test for ketone bodies. So I hope it was very easy for you to understand. Simply prepare an ammoniacal solution of sodium nitroprusside, treat the urine sample for 10 minutes with sodium cyanide, and then mix the two in varying proportion, and you will get a reddish or reddish purple color if the sample contains anything that has thiol group. For example, in case of Cystinuria, Homocysteinuria, all those amino acidureas will give positive reaction. In that context, I need to thank my colleague Dr. Aritribir and our laboratory technician Mr. Kajal Datta for their cooperation with me. And I thank you all for your patient hearing. Please let me know in the comment section if you want to reproduce this test in your lab. Even if there is no known case of cystinuria or homocysteinuria, those are rare, you can still perform for fun using a concentrated solution of L-cysteine amino acid. I think most of you might have got amino acid solution for ninhydrin test, chromatography, TLC, all those experiments. You can use a cysteine. If you are performing Western blot, you can use beta markup to ethanol. Okay, beta markup to ethanol we always use for proteolysis. So these are thiol containing agent that has got disulfide group, and they will also give strong red reaction with ammoniacal sodium nitroprusside. Anyways, that's it for today. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.